Today our topic is about the Muslim world and modern Western society. We will discuss why the Muslim worlds are facing declines as compared to Western societies and other worlds. According to me, maybe you are not agreed or maybe agreed. Main reason is that the present Muslim society is not conventional Islamic society. It is not example of the past conventional Muslim Islamic society. It is actually the mixing of two societies, two different societies. You may say that that is actually the hybrid society, which are the mixing of the conventional Islamic society as well as the modern Western societies. As we know that when every society is developing mode, in developing mode, every society try to find the solution of all the problem created by the that society, that may be created by that societies. And when the modern Western society is were developing and they are interested to apply on the peoples, but before applying they have worked hard and do some studies and do some research that what types of the problem will be created when they will be allow the opposite genders, males and females, to meet at or mix with each other in the public places. But but Muslim world have not thought about that. Even they have not considered about their that the problem will be created. Such kind of they have not, because they have only copied and applied. So because they have not worked on that. In Islam, the solution was in conventional Islamic society, the solution was that they have prohibited the mixing of the males and females in public places and and they have encouraged the veils and such kind of things. And Western society was now that when they will allow the mixing of the male and female, they know that the peoples may there will be the mixing will create the emotional problems, and they will create affections between the males and females, and the people may use their powers illegally or wrong way to get the such kind of the players. So they have opened many nightclub and disco clubs and such type of the clubs, so that these people who are frustrated due to their wrong emotions or love emotions, they will go on these clubs and get players, not by using their powers illegally, because they know that if they will use their powers illegally, then the incompetent people will come at the top, because they will give the favors to get such kind of illegal players. Okay, so when they will use their power illegally, the incompetent people will become up and at top positions, and some students will get marks in these ways, and the employers will be use their power to hire their employees. So whole society will be collapsed. But Muslim world has not think about that. Okay, they did not think about that, and that's why the Muslim world is facing the declines. I think the Muslim world should think about that. If they are interested to develop a new society, then even they are interested to make a hybrid society, then they have to work. How they will find the solutions? Or they have to choose one from the, or they have to choose the Islamic or conventional Islamic society, or the modern Western societies completely, without mixing them with each other, because or if they are interested to mix, then they should work out, they should work. The copy paste is not the solution. You may be agreed or not agreed, my point of view. If you agreed or whether you not agreed, please share your comments and your views in the box below, comments box below. It will be very helpful for us. We will be very grateful if you will be help out to understand your views. Thank you very much. Goodbye.